This recipe is simple. It's cozze gratinate, which is fresh mussels and pecorino cheese, a little breadcrumbs, parsley, baked in the oven. Many people have this debate. With seafood, you do not put any type of cheese. But here in the Maremma, in this part of Tuscany, you have the countryside and the sea right by each other. So a lot of these ingredients go really well together. So these have just been rinsed, the beards have been removed, make sure they're closed, and they're good to go. I'm gonna slightly steam them so they open up, and I can actually just start stuffing them. I'm just gonna put them on this grill with coals. For the stuffing, a little bit of breadcrumbs. And now my pecorino, some sheep's milk cheese. I'm just removing the rind. A little bit of salt. And some black pepper. And some olive oil. This will help give it flavor, but also help bind all the ingredients together. Mix it all together. Just opening up the mussels, and the filling will go right on top of the mussels. Okay, so I opened up all the mussels, and now I'm just gonna cover them with our breadcrumbs, our parsley, and our pecorino sheep's milk cheese. And this filling is tasty, so even if there's little mussel, it's okay, just fill up the shell. Now, a little hit of pecorino right on top. These are gonna get thrown into a hot oven. I wanna kind of make the top nice and golden, and then they get served hot or at room temperature, and it makes for a really delicious, simple antipasto. This is an antipasto that I've had several times. To me, the two-star ingredients are the mussels and the pecorino cheese. Our cozze gratinate are done, nice and golden. Aia. That's it, let it cool down, serve it, and you have a perfect antipasto. A little bit of seafood, a little bit of country, a little bit of pecorino with mussels.